Hey friends, if you wish to fix PCI Express root port error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, here's one thing. This could be a hardware issue, but at our end, we can help it with the software part. So, our first approach should be to update drivers. Now, which drivers? The PCI drivers, the chipset drivers, the graphics card drivers, but a better way is to simply update all drivers. So, right click on the start button and select settings on the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select Advanced Options, select Optional Updates and update the drivers. Then return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.